Oh, what is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 25 RTR Mystichrome Spec 3. Today, we got a quick, cheap, easy mod. Some new cheap floor mats. All right, guys. So, I went on eBay and I bought a $22 set of carpeted floor mats. The only reason I bought these, obviously, I have the beautiful RTR Lloyd mats, but to keep them in nice shape, I keep these cheapies over it so that they stay in nice shape. So to get rid of these, we're going to put these on top. But the main reason was those. For whatever reason, the S650 Mustang comes with no rear floor mats at all. So I really just wanted the rears so that I had something back there. Come on, camera. Is this your first day? So I really just wanted something back there. So for 22 bucks, I bought the rear mats and it came with the fronts as well. So we're just gonna see how these fit. Hopefully they fit. They are pretty thin. I'll drop the link below. They are nothing by any means to write home about. They do have Velcro backing here if you want to put this then on the carpet and then make them stick so they don't slide. I don't think we're gonna use that, but they're all stitched around and they're just some cheap black carpet floor mats here just to cover the rear. So let's see how they fit and hopefully it was worth it. All right, the moment of truth. Perfect. Perfecto. Look at that fitment. $20 on eBay. Mission accomplished. In all honesty, I might not even throw the fronts on. I'll just keep the all-weather ones because they're easier to clean and help if your feet are wet or whatever. But damn, look at that. Perfect for 20 bucks. Matches the carpet perfect. Look at this. Looks OEM. 20 bucks. Let's slide the seat back. Come on, baby. That's about where, what, look at that. Let's get the other side. You see why we need them? Look at this. What is this doing in my car? You've got to be kidding me. This is unacceptable. Okay. Let's get the back one in. Bam! In there. Perfect. What's up? All right, let's see how the fronts fit. Just so we know. See, this is where it would go right here. Yeah, I mean, these suckers are not bad. Like, if you didn't have any or just need a cheap set for 20 bucks and they match, the thing is they match the color like absolutely perfect. So, I mean, they're good. I'll probably still just put the rubber ones back in. Like I said, just because you get that all-weather feature, but the rears, I didn't need that. Just something there. So, overall, A+ for the money. I'll drop the link below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to support the channel. Help me get to that 4K subscriber mark. And I appreciate everything, guys. Thank you.